Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I made over $210 for free by the age of 21. So now you're probably thinking, Daniel, I don't care. Daniel, don't you do like gaming videos? Daniel, I don't want to hear about this. This is boring. Well, you know what? Suck it up, Buttercup. Today you're going to learn a little bit about how to make money. Now, before I get started, I had to figure this out. I actually figured it out this morning what it actually meant because I was looking at it was in my bank, right? Because that's obviously where I keep my money. And it has to do with GL. I didn't know what GL means. But basically, daily GL is gain or loss for current or last trading day, and total GL would be gain or loss since you bought it. For example, bought it at 99.95 total, which might include trade commissions at that time your screenshot was worth 99.81. So that would mean you made like 14 cents, right? So I looked at my bank and my investments because I invested money. Now, if you guys don't know, you can buy stocks or bonds or whatever. And during this time, especially with the pandemic and everything going on, it's actually, while it sucks in a lot of ways, it's also a great opportunity because to a certain degree, everything was on sale when I bought it. So, for example, I went up. Now, I wanted to actually put 300, but it didn't quite reach there. So, in total, I have made almost $300, so $293.81 in total GL, so total gain over loss. I think that's what it's supposed to mean. So, I invested about $1,000, as you can see. And then this is how much it's made. Now, of course, I wouldn't recommend necessarily buying all the stocks I do. I would do your research. I would look but like I did some research on these stocks, but it's not rocket science. It's not super complicated. So, for example, I thought about BP. BP is an oil company, and I thought, well, they're probably not doing that good right now. So if I buy them when they're doing bad and the company survives, which it's not guaranteed, but if the company survives, then the stock will go up. Pretty simple. Same with Delta Airlines, same with Alaska Air Group, which is another airline company. And then some of the other stuff I bought is just because I liked them and I thought they would do better and they would bounce back. So Yum Brands is like KFC, Taco Bell. I used to work there, so I wanted to buy one of those. McDonald's, I bought McDonald's because I thought they would bounce back. They're pretty steady as well. I don't expect them to do a whole lot of money making. As you can see, it didn't make as much money as some of the other ones I bought. But they have dividends, which I like. It's like a small amount of money they give you every quarter or something like that. But yeah, so if you guys want to learn how to do this, I would highly recommend Graham Stephan. He has a channel where he does like investing and all sorts of money tips. Minority Mindset, that's another good one. So yeah, so I would definitely recommend you guys invest, but do your research. And remember, the way I'm doing this, so for example, let's say I wanted to make money. So what I would do is I would sell all these stocks to gain back the profit, and I would make $296, right? Or $293, right? Well, no, because of taxes. Taxes would probably cut this in half, the amount of money I actually made. So I might make like maybe $150, and that's when I'm in a low income bracket. If you're rich, it kind of sucks actually because you end up making less money through that. But again, I generally subscribe to the belief of like Warren Buffett. He sticks to the stuff he knows and he just buys it and he holds it. He holds it for basically until he thinks the company's going to die, and then if he thinks the company's going to die, then he sells it, you know. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed and have a great day.